Welcome to this complete Interlaken, Switzerland travel guide, a place where adventure meets tranquility. Nestled between two azure lakes and surrounded by the towering peaks of the Swiss Alps, Interlaken is a slice of heaven on earth. A gateway to the Jungfrau region, this charming town is a treasure trove of natural beauty and thrilling escapades. Whether you're a peace seeker or an adrenaline junkie, Interlaken has something to offer everyone. From the breathtaking vistas of Kulm and Jungfraujoch, the top of Europe, to the serene beauty of Homart Park, from the thrilling boat cruises on Lake Thun and Lake Brienz to the mystical Petus Caves, this Swiss paradise will leave you awestruck. And for those with a thirst for adventure, we've got paragliding over Interlaken, exploring the Ara Gorge and a plethora of heart-stopping adventure sports. So buckle up as we dive into the heart of Switzerland. First on our list is the Kulm, also known as Interlaken's home mountain. Now imagine being whisked up the mountain in a funicular, the anticipation building with every passing moment. As you ascend, the panoramic views of Interlaken, the Eiger, Mönch and Jungfrau mountains unfurl before your eyes. It's a sight that could leave the most seasoned traveler utterly spellbound. Once at the top, you're faced with vistas that are nothing short of a masterpiece. The emerald lakes, the snow-capped peaks, the charming Swiss homes dotting the landscape, it's like stepping into a postcard. And then there's the two-lake footbridge, the iconic vantage point that offers a seamless blend of the emerald lake Thun and turquoise lake Brienz. It's a sight for the gods, I tell you, so take a moment, soak it all in. And remember, no picture can truly capture the magic of being there in person. With views that could steal your heart, Kulm is a must-visit. Next up is the Jungfraujoch, a place so high it's called the top of Europe. Now imagine boarding a cogwheel train and embarking on a journey, climbing steadily, the world shrinking beneath you. That's the magical start of the Jungfraujoch experience. As you ascend, the panorama unfolds, revealing a symphony of peaks, valleys and glaciers, all bathed in an ethereal alpine light. At the summit, the views are nothing short of breathtaking. You're standing on the roof of Europe, the continent spread out beneath you like a three-dimensional map. But the Jungfraujoch isn't just about the views. There's a world of experiences waiting for you up there. Explore the Ice Palace, a fairy tale world carved out of ice. Wander through crystal-clear halls and marvel at the intricate ice sculptures. Have a sweet tooth? Then you won't want to miss the Lindt Swiss chocolate heaven, a paradise for chocolate lovers. Savor the rich, creamy flavors of Swiss chocolate, a treat made even better by the stunning surroundings. The Jungfraujoch is an exhilarating blend of ice, snow and rock. Coming up is the Homart Park, a green oasis, followed by a vintage ride on the Schinniger Platt Railway. Imagine strolling through the lush greenery of Homart Park, a serene haven in the heart of Interlaken. It's a place where time stands still. The sweet scent of blooming flowers fills the air, and the towering Swiss Alps, including the majestic Jungfrau, form a breathtaking backdrop. The park's beauty is captivating, a true testament to nature's splendor. From this tranquil setting, we transition to a journey back in time on the Schinniger Platt Railway. This historic cogwheel train, with its old-world charm, whisks you away to the high alpine wonderland of the Schinniger Platt. As the train chugs along, it's like you're in a moving postcard, with panoramic views of the Bernese Oberland's snow-capped peaks and emerald valleys. For a relaxing day out, these two spots are hard to beat. Now let's set sail on the serene waters of Lake Thun and Lake Brienz. Imagine gliding across tranquil, crystal-clear waters, flanked by majestic snow-capped mountains. That's precisely what you'll experience on the boat cruises of Lake Thun and Lake Brienz. As you journey across Lake Thun, you'll discover charming towns such as Spiez and Oberhofen, their castles standing proudly against the backdrop of the Swiss Alps. Each town, with its unique character, offers a delightful stopover along the cruise. On Lake Brienz, the picturesque town of Brienz, known for its centuries-old tradition of wood carving, is a sight to behold. And let's not forget the Giesbach Falls, a breathtaking cascade that plunges into the lake, definitely a sight that's worth a postcard or two. Whether you're after a relaxing day on the water or an adventurous exploration of lakeside towns, these boat cruises cater to every whim. These boat cruises are a fantastic way to soak in the beauty of Interlaken. Next, we plunge into the depths of the Petus Caves before soaring high with paragliding over Interlaken. As we step into the Petus Caves, we're greeted by a world of wonder. Legend has it St. Beatus, the patron saint of Switzerland, once vanquished a fearsome dragon within these very walls. Today, you can explore the labyrinth of chambers and corridors, each one adorned with stunning stalactites that have formed over the millennia. It's like stepping back in time, into a world untouched by the modern hustle and bustle. Emerging from the caves, we trade the depths of the earth for the heights of the sky. Paragliding over Interlaken is an experience like no other. With your heart pounding, you'll leap from a mountaintop and soar over the breathtaking Swiss landscape. It's an adrenaline rush, yes, but also an opportunity to see Interlaken from a whole new perspective. From the earth's depths to the sky's heights, Interlaken never ceases to amaze. Last but not least, we have the breathtaking Ara Gorge and adrenaline-pumping adventure sports. Carved by nature's hand over the span of millions of years, the Ara Gorge stretches over a mile long and is adorned by limestone formations, whispering the tales of time. A symphony of rushing water and echoing bird songs make up the soundtrack of this natural masterpiece. But if the tranquility of the gorge doesn't quite cut it for you, how about some heart-thumping adventure sports? Imagine soaring through the skies like an eagle, embracing the wind while skydiving, or perhaps you fancy a wild, water-soaked adventure. Canyoning and rafting are the answers. Feel the raw power of nature as you navigate the rapids, your heart pounding in rhythm with the cascading water. Whether you're drawn by the serene beauty of the Ara Gorge or the wild call of adventure sports, Interlaken has something for you. For the thrill seekers and nature lovers, these two are the perfect finale. So there we have it, 10 unmissable experiences in Interlaken, a place that truly has it all. From the breathtaking panoramic views at Kulm, where the Swiss landscape unfurls itself like a grand green tapestry, to the exhilarating heights of Jungfraujoch, the top of Europe where the world seems to pause in frozen beauty. Interlaken is a place where nature's splendor is at its best, where the air is fresher and the grass is certainly greener. Then there's the tranquil Homart Park, a patchwork of green and flowers, and the historic Platt Railway, a journey back in time and into the heart of Switzerland's scenic beauty. These two gems perfectly encapsulate the serene and timeless charm of Interlaken. Next, we dove into the aquatic wonders of the region with the Lake Thun and Lake Brienz boat cruises. Whether it's the sun-kissed sparkle of Lake Thun or the emerald allure of Lake Brienz, both offer a refreshing perspective on the surrounding landscapes. We also ventured into the depths of the St. Petus Caves, where centuries-old stalactites and stalagmites form an otherworldly spectacle. And let's not forget the thrill of paragliding over Interlaken, soaring like a bird, the world sprawling beneath in a stunning panorama. Our journey then took us to the Ara Gorge, a testament to nature's relentless creativity and the adrenaline-pumping adventure sports like skydiving, canyoning and rafting that truly make Interlaken the adventure capital of Switzerland. In essence, Interlaken is a symphony of experiences, a harmony of nature and adventure. It's a place where you can scale the heights of the Alps one day and delve into the depths of a mystical cave the next. It's a place where you can feel the rush of white water rafting and the serenity of a boat cruise. It's a place where the air is filled with the scent of wildflowers and the echo of cowbells. That's it for our Interlaken travel guide. We hope it inspires you to make your own Swiss memories.